Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. This week is going to be 2 or 3 smaller grocery hauls. That's just the way it's going to roll this week. Last week I was on the struggle bus, wasn't really feeling well for part of the week. So I'm sort of playing catch up in all aspects of life this week. So again, this is going to be the first haul of 2 or 3. I'm not really sure yet. This is from Walmart. I had to run and grab just specific things that I needed from there. That I know had the best prices. So a couple friends of ours brought over a loaf of this Mastriani Brothers sliced Italian bread. I love this bread. I had actually forgotten about it because this is a local to me bread. It's made in Waterville, and they don't have this in the South, so I actually had forgotten about it while we were living in the South. But it's really good, hearty, really good sandwich bread. I'm going to do some BLTs with it, but I got a loaf of this. It says $4.49, but it actually rings up as like $3.79, which I know is a lot, but this is a big loaf. So I'll use this for, you know, Matt sandwiches, for BLTs, sandwiches for myself during the week, that kind of thing. So I grabbed that. We needed more eggs because I did a batch of egg salad for my food prep this week, so I got my normal cage-free brown eggs. I'm on a prescription, like an antibiotic right now for my sinus infection, so it actually makes my stomach feel a little nauseous, so I got some Rolaids. I got a couple of these Natural Choice little snack things for Matt's lunches. This one is the uncured pepperoni and cheddar, and this one is the chicken, cheddar, and chocolate covered almonds, so I just grabbed a couple of those for the week. I grabbed my combos, which is like one of my favorite all-time snack foods. I try to get a bag of these like once a month, but sometimes I forget. And I love these. I got some little mini Oreo cookies because Grady's been really liking Oreos, so I pack them one for like a snack sometimes during the week, and sometimes we have one at home. So I got these little minis to try out. I got some Cape Cod white cheddar and sour cream wave kettle cooked chips. These are really good. Some Stonyfield organic yogurt tubes. This is the cherry and the strawberry. Some Daisy sour cream because we used up, Matt used up the rest of it with appetizers for football. I got a big thing of romaine hearts. I got to wash that up and get it ready for the week. I got a Wishbone Italian dressing because I just used up the last one I had for a pasta salad that I made for food prep. I got some Vine on tomatoes for salads and BLTs. I got a bag of onions. I think this is like a 3-pound, maybe 5-pound, 3-pound, 5-pound bag of onions. We go through quite a bit of those. Cat food, the usual Delectables 12-pack. And then, if you've been watching me for a while, you know I love these Parents' Choice wipes. They are the best bang for your buck. They're good quality wipes, and they're very inexpensive. For this 3-pack, there are 240 wipes. It is $4.77, and these are excellent wipes, guys. I highly recommend these. I've gotten a lot of people onto these wipes. They have vitamin E in them. They're hypoallergenic. They're 99% plant-based water ingredients. They're really good. If you haven't checked out this brand and you buy wipes, I would highly recommend the Parents' Choice brand. They have like 15 different scents and 15 different kinds. But anyways, this is the Walmart haul, and now we're going to go on to the next one. Hey guys, so I have haul number 2. This is from a store called Price Rite. I actually saved the bag to show you. So it's Price Rite. I don't know if this is like a store that's everywhere. My parents actually shop at Price Rite for like probably at least 50% of their groceries, specifically because of their prices. Sorry, my throat is really scratchy right now. When I go to Price Rite, it's usually for something specific, and one of the things I go there for specifically is when I need ground turkey. They have the best price. I get the Butterball all natural. It's the 85.15. I like the one that's a little fattier, and it's $2.29, I believe, for these. So I got one to use and one to freeze. So mainly whenever I need ground turkey, I always go there and just pick up whatever else I need. But let me say, they have some really good, really great prices. All this stuff was like 35 bucks, I think, maybe even a little bit less, like $30, $35. So again, these were like $2.29 or $2.49. I know they were under $2.50. So I got 2 of those. I feel like I have deja vu when I say this, but meat tortellini, at least where I live, is harder to find. Usually I find the cheese tortellini everywhere, but this is a local brand. It's actually out of Schenectady, New York, which I lived in Schenectady for years. But this is the PD Brothers. It's like an Italian company that makes all different Italian products. So whenever I come across the meat tortellini by them, I grab it because it's a really good side dish or dinner. I like to toss it with pesto. So I got this, and it was like $2. I got some coleslaw mix, which I need for the ground turkey. And this was like $1.29. Good price on the Gatorade Flow. This is the Blackberry Wave, which my husband loves. It was $5 for the bigger bottles of the 8-pack. Cheapest price I have found on these. I've been eyeing these. I saw these at Walmart and Target. And they were always a bit pricey. So these were $1.99. They are the, I think the gallon bags, right? Yes. So there are 12 gallon bags in here. I know that 12 is not that many bags. But it's the best price I found, $1.99, and I thought these would be great for holiday, obviously. Since I don't bake, I thought that I could use it for other things. I don't know. I'm just a sucker for like novelty, limited edition Ziploc bags. I know it's kind of dorky, but anyways, I grabbed those. I got some Laughing Cow Creamy Swiss Garlic and Herb because I want to give these to my husband with crackers and carrot and celery sticks to dip for like a snack for lunch. I can't remember the price on this, but I know it was good. I just ran out of these. I actually used my last ones on Sunday for my food prep. So these were $2.29 for an 8-pack of Jif to go. Ranch was a great price. It was like $2.29, I believe, $2.50. 99 cents for Hunt's tomato ketchup, and these are both things that I needed. This is a lotion that I actually use that is my favorite. My girl Gigi got me onto this a few years ago. And it's this exact one, the Nivea with 2 times almond oil. I love these. They're usually about $6.99 at like Walmart or Target, and they were $4.99 at Price Rite. So super random that it had the exact one, so I grabbed that. I got 2 red peppers for the turkey recipe. They were $1.39 a pound. I know they were under $1.50 a pound, so I grabbed 2. 89 cents for large pitted olives, which we use a lot of those. And then I'm going to be baking some cupcakes for my son's birthday for his classroom party. So I got yellow cake mix, which was like $1.50, and then the Funfetti vanilla frosting, which was also like $1.50. So I thought that was a pretty good deal, guys, like $35 for this. So this is what I got from Price Rite. You do if you go, they don't give you bags, and I always forget that. So unfortunately I did have to buy a bag. It was 10 cents. But I managed to fit like 75% of that stuff in one bag except the Gatorade and a couple other things. But anyways, 35 bucks. I have a BJ's haul coming after this, so just stay tuned. Alright guys, so last of the groceries for the week. By the way, I think I said BJ's. I meant to say Walmart. It was just a mental slip. So yeah, this is from Walmart. I went to Walmart again. I'm usually at Walmart like twice a week, sometimes more if it's like holiday season. So I picked up the rest of the stuff I needed. This video was filmed, by the way, over the course of like 5 days. So just picked up the rest of the stuff I needed. Since today's Thursday, you guys will be seeing this tomorrow on Friday. I got some Oreo mini packs. I got some Pringles snack packs, like the individual ones. Beer for the weekend for football. I've seen this on TV, and I thought it looked really interesting. It's the Dunkin' Coffee Porter beer. I don't drink beer, but my husband does, and people who come over and watch football do. So I got this for them, whoever wants it to try out. I got some mocha Starbucks Frappuccinos to put in my husband's lunches. I got some of these Annie's organic cheddar bunnies. It says they have a crispier, cheesier taste, so we'll have to see about that. I got my Reynolds cookie baking sheets, which I use for like bacon and potatoes and veggies. I just love these. They're so good. I got a big bag of jalapenos because Sunday I'm going to do some bacon and cheese wrapped jalapenos for football. I needed some beef. I actually have beef, but it's all frozen, and I need one today, so I grabbed this one. It was $5 something. It's a pretty good price, like $5.46 for the organic grass-fed. So I got that. Grady needed more flossers. These are the ones we use for his morning and night routine for teeth, so I got these flossers. These were on sale. I love these. I've talked about these many different times. My husband and I both have these. We've had the sets we've had now for about, I don't know, 2.5, 3 years. And you just change the batteries and the heads. But mine officially like just died. It was just old. But they're very inexpensive. I think when we originally bought it, they were like $8, and I got 3 years use out of it, obviously with changing the batteries and the head. But they were on sale for $5, so I grabbed 2, a replacement for me, and then a backup because I'm pretty sure my husband's is not too far behind mine. And $5, you can't beat it. It comes with the batteries in it already and a brand new head, so I was really psyched about that. They were on sale for $5. I got a large sweet potato that I'll need for a couple side dishes this week, some celery, because we go through a lot of that, and then I got another stick of pepperoni, because I like using this for lots of different things, including football. I like to cut it up with crackers and cheese and veggies and stuff like that. And this stuff was like $60 for all of this, but now I'm going to share my meal plan for the week. Alright guys, meal plan for the upcoming week, which is Sunday the 4th through Saturday the 10th. So Sunday is football day, and I'm going to do football food during the day. But for dinner, I'm going to do some BLT sandwiches and some pasta salad. One night, I'm going to do my white turkey goulash over pasta. I have a whole video on that. I'll link it down below. It's a crock pot dinner. One night, I'm going to do some chicken thighs in that Baja marinade. I've showed you guys that before. And I'll do some kind of veggie or like potato or rice with it. I'm going to do the meat tortellini that I got from Rite with pesto sauce, salad, and bread one night. Beef enchiladas with rice. I usually try and do beef enchiladas once a month. I'm pretty sure I had it on my meal plan like 3 weeks ago, but it never happened, so I'm due to make those. Of course, a freebie night, which we'll either do leftovers, breakfast, or takeout. Most likely breakfast. I haven't done that in a while. And then next Saturday, the 10th, is my son's actual birthday. He'll be 7 years old, and we're going to have a family party here at my house. So that is up in the air because between my mom, my sister, me, and I don't know if my brother has off from work, but we're all just going to kind of make a dish and then just have a big like family party with different foods and, you know, cake and ice cream and all that. And of course, I will film as much of this as I can in my What's for Dinner clips, as I always do. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, have a safe weekend, and I will see you all in a new video tomorrow on Saturday, and then a bunch of new videos next week. Bye guys.